Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this diagnostic overview on DTC B2964, specifically identifying the failure in the climate control unit communication with the front panel, commonly known as the climate control switch, for the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. The climate control unit plays a pivotal role in regulating the temperature and environment inside the car by ensuring proper communication with various switches and sensors. This error code indicates that the climate control unit is unable to establish the necessary communication with the climate control switch, prompting the unit to record an abnormality. This malfunction can lead to a variety of climate control issues and may necessitate service or component replacement. Understanding the components involved and the diagnostic steps to address this error is crucial for effective repair. Let's delve deeper into the specifics of this issue and its underlying components. DTC B2964 signifies a loss of communication between the climate control unit and the climate control switch. The climate control unit is typically situated within the dashboard and acts as a crucial component in managing the vehicle's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system. This unit relies on input from the climate control switch, which allows the driver to manipulate the temperature settings and other aspects of the climate control system. If the climate control unit fails to receive the expected data from this switch, it interprets this as a fault, thereby storing the DTC. The inability to communicate can hinder the functionality of the entire climate system, resulting in a compromised driving experience. It is essential to properly inspect the connections and wiring between these components to identify the root cause of the communication failure. Several potential causes may lead to the DTC B2964 error code. One possible cause relates to issues within the wiring harness that connects the climate control unit and the climate control switch. Such wiring problems may include open circuits or shorted connections that disrupt the signal transmission. The second potential cause is a defective climate control switch itself, which may fail to send the appropriate signals to the climate control unit, leading to a communication breakdown. Lastly, the climate control unit itself may be malfunctioning or damaged, leading to an inability to interpret or process data from the switch. Each of these components must be meticulously inspected to ascertain whether they are contributing to this communication failure. When experiencing DTC B2964, certain symptoms may manifest that indicate a problem with the climate control system. Drivers may find that the climate control system is non-responsive or does not react to inputs from the climate control switch, such as adjustments to temperature settings. Additionally, there may be incorrect temperature readings displayed, leading to dissatisfaction with the vehicle's climate management. These symptoms, combined, can contribute to an unusual climate system behavior, where automated functions such as air conditioning or heating do not perform as expected. Recognizing these symptoms early can guide technicians in pinpointing the issue and applying the correct troubleshooting steps efficiently. The first troubleshooting step to address DTC B2964 involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode. This action powers up the vehicle's electrical systems, including the climate control unit. After engaging the ignition, it is crucial to wait at least 6 seconds to allow all parameters to stabilize and ensure that the climate control system is correctly initialized. This waiting period is essential because it can help in establishing a baseline communication status between the climate control unit and the climate control switch. Observing the device response during this period may reveal any immediate malfunctions or failures, contributing to the diagnostic process. The second step in resolving DTC B2964 requires a thorough inspection of the external circuits relevant to the climate control unit's function. This includes evaluating the IG2 option circuit, which supplies power, as well as the ground GND circuit and the bus data communication link. Technicians need to ensure that these circuits are free from faults, such as open wires or shorts, particularly focusing on maintaining a battery voltage close to 12 volts for the IG2 option circuit. For an effective diagnosis, it is critical to confirm the resistance values of these circuits. Specifically, there should be less than 1 ohm for open wire inspections and more than 1 mega ohm for shorts to ground. Failure to identify issues in these circuits can lead to recurring faults in the climate control system. In the third troubleshooting step, technicians need to inspect the climate control switch. Since there is no direct testing method outlined for the switch, the recommended approach involves replacing it with a known good component to determine if the original switch is faulty. This method of substitution is effective, as it allows engineers to quickly assess whether reinstallation resolves the communication error. If replacing the climate control switch gives way to successful communication with the climate control unit, it indicates that the switch was indeed the culprit. Conversely, if the issue persists despite the replacement, further investigation into other components and circuits affected by the climate control switch might be necessary. The fourth step in the DTC B2964 troubleshooting protocol focuses on inspecting the climate control unit itself. After ruling out the climate control switch and determining other related circuits are functioning correctly, it may be concluded that the climate control unit is at fault. A meticulous inspection of the unit should be performed to verify proper operation and identify any signs of damage or electronic failures that could impair its functionality. This might include reviewing the connectors and inputs/outputs associated with the climate control unit to ensure they are secure and free from corrosion or debris. If this investigation reveals an abnormality, replacement of the climate control unit may be required to restore proper operation of the climate control system. After completing the necessary repairs associated with DTC B2964, it is important to verify that the repairs have been successful. Start by clearing the diagnostic trouble code from the vehicle's memory, which can be done utilizing a diagnostic scanner. Following this step, conduct a thorough test of the climate control system to ensure that it responds appropriately to inputs from the climate control switch. Observe the system for any anomalies or failures during this testing phase that could suggest an incomplete fix. A successful verification process not only confirms the effectiveness of the repairs, but also ensures that the vehicle is ready for safe and comfortable operation. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in minimizing the risk of encountering DTC B2964 in the future. Regular checks on the wiring harness connecting the climate control unit and switch should be conducted, looking for any signs of wear, breaks, or corrosion. Keeping the connectors clean and securely fastened helps in maintaining optimal communication between components. Additionally, consistently monitoring the functionality of the climate control system during routine vehicle checks can help catch any irregularities early on. Implementing these maintenance practices can lead to extended life and reliability of the climate control system within your Honda Accord, ensuring comfortable driving experiences. In conclusion, understanding DTC B2964 and its implications for the climate control system in the Honda Accord is crucial for effective diagnostics and repair. The primary causes revolve around communication failures between the climate control unit and the climate control switch. with potential wiring issues or component malfunctions being common culprits. A systematic approach through the troubleshooting steps can lead to efficient resolution of the trouble code, significantly enhancing overall vehicle performance. Timely repairs not only restore comfort, but also improve vehicle reliability and safety. By incorporating preventive maintenance strategies, vehicle owners can mitigate future issues, ensuring a more satisfying driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.